It has been like how many years na nawala ka sa showbiz? Hindi ba mo na-miss ang showbiz?
Nakikita ko hindi ko na kailangang magpuyat para kumita lang ng pera at para makisama sa ibang tao.
There was a time you got reconnected with your father. Is he still alive or?
And they told me the whole story with my dad and everything. Nakaka-turn off. Ako, binagbigyan ko yung dad ko. Sila ayaw na. Ako pinagbigyan ko, binigyan ko pa rin ng pera. Pero hindi talaga nagbago eh. Hindi talaga.
Anong mga natutunan mo sa showbiz?
Number one, mag-ipon. Kasi gigising ka one time na hindi ka na ang pinakasikat. Stability, yes. I can say I'm very, very stable. Hindi ko yung pinoproblema ang bukas. Kasi alam ko bukas meron kami. Ikaw yung sa calendar girl, ikaw yung mistisa na napanood ko nanalo, yeah. Oh, maglo-launch kami ng movie, kailangan namin yung Marimar look, design na design. And maraming pera sa showbiz, kaya nagtataka ako ninang kung bakit walang-wala ang iba.
Kung marunong ka mag-handle.
Yeah. So, ang asawa ko, nakita ko, walang sabit, single, guwapo, edukado, and
Napakabait.
napakabait, yeah.
So,
Life is good. Like, ang dami kong naipon. Yung, may mga pera ako sa bangko na nag-earn na lang siya ng interest. I'm very, very proud of myself. At nung tumungtong ako ng 18 ninang, I have my first million. Mami ko napaka-strong eh. Could you imagine, mag-isa lang niya ako pinalaki ninang. Walang help sa daddy ko. Kaya nga, lagi ko sinasabi, I owe everything to my mom. When people ask, ba't mo nakilala ang swerte mo? Hindi swerte. Nalagaan ko ang sarili ko because I wanna attract the person that I wanna be with for the rest of my life. Yung dream namin medyo mataas. Parehas kami, nagko-connect kami pagdating ng ganun. Ayaw namin ng stagnant. Ayaw namin ng hanggang dun lang. We both have dreams and said, okay. I'm not saying like hindi kami nag-argue or anything like that, but everything really works out well because I guess God is in the center of our relationship. It works out for us that this is our setup. I'm enjoying my life now with my kids and I won't change a thing. The more na uma-attend ako ng showbiz gathering, the more na-realize ko na hindi ko na pala siya kailangan. When somebody like sinisiraan ako, binabato ako, anong reaction mo? Sabi ko, wala talaga ninang. Kasi inside of me, I'm still really happy. Kung happy ka pala talaga ninang, doesn't bother you anymore. Hello everyone, this is Ramona Revilla. I would like again to invite you guys to watch TikTok with Aster Amoyo Friday at 12 noon. See you guys!